Hello, today I'll be teaching you how to use computer programs to perform math calculations. So we can use Microsoft Excel and Google Spreadsheets, but for the first example, I will use Google Spreadsheets. We will start off at the Google home page as shown and click on the 9 dots at the top right hand corner of the screen. Scroll down to Google Apps and look for the green icon which says Sheets. To open a blank spreadsheet, click on the plus sign. Each vertical group is known as a column and each horizontal group is known as a row. I have prepared this spreadsheet for today's example. To find the product of 55 and 99, we will first insert a formula. To insert a formula, we click on the cell and we put in an equal sign. Then we click on the first cell and we insert a multiplication symbol. Computer programs use the star as the multiplication symbol, also known as the asterisk. Then click on the second cell. Finally, click Enter. And as you can see, the product of 55 and 99 has been calculated. To calculate the products of the rest of the numbers below, we can copy this formula by clicking on the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the formula down. The formula has been copied into the cells below it. Similarly, for Microsoft Excel, open the green icon says Excel and open up a blank workbook. As you can see, it looks almost exactly the same. Using the same example from before, the same formula will achieve the same result. To input a formula, we start off with an equal sign. We select the cell, input the multiplication symbol by holding down the shift button and pressing 8 to get the star. And then we click the second cell and we click Enter. The calculation has been done and we want to copy the formula by clicking on the small square at the bottom right corner and dragging it down. This is the end of the multiplication section.